Knock, knock, knock. It's for me. It's Jake Guy Checks TV. That's what the man said it's advertised to be.
I know it's a little late for New Year's toast at this point, but we really have to raise a belated glass to NASA's Mars rovers. As of January 3rd, they've been in continuous operation on an alien planet for 5 straight years. You know how long they are expected to last? 3 months. They're like the Terminator, but for science. I mean, these stats speak for themselves, but the real accomplishment is that these rovers basically proved, beyond a shadow of a doubt, that liquid water once flowed on Mars. And they're not even done yet. NASA's project manager says he expects to get 4 more missions out of them this year. So here's to spirit and opportunity. Models for us all.
Studying addiction can be challenging because getting people addicted to stuff on purpose is generally frowned upon in our society, even in the lab. So some Australian scientists gave cocaine to a few honeybees instead. Actually, it makes sense. Turns out that a hit of coke affects bees in much the same way as it affects humans. Normally, bees do this little waggle dance to tell others where to find food, but the researchers found that the coked-up bees danced way more often and way more vigorously, even though the food source wasn't that great. Sound familiar? Remember what all those friends who were in the bathrooms for so long came out feeling like? That's like these bees. So, given these similarities, the researchers hope to use bees to delve more into the biochemistry of addiction, and the bees get to party like rock stars.
I don't need some fancy cologne to tell me I'm a man. I use Skin Bracer. It smells great, but it also cools and tones my skin. Confidence is very sexy, don't you think?
Yes, Jack Palance, I do. And so does science. Researchers at the University of Liverpool found that men who were wearing a scent that made them feel more confident were, in fact, rated as more attractive by women. They rated the men's attractiveness based off of silent videos, though, so the appeal or not of the scent didn't have anything to do with getting the women interested, unlike those Axe body spray commercials imply. No, really it just comes down to how much the man believes the hype about the scent he happens to be wearing, and translates that belief into confident behavior. So, in a sense, those Axe ads might actually be scientifically accurate, as long as you translate.
The rights to morning, noon, and night. You should come over and check them out sometime.